Welcome to Data Labs, the podcast where we at BizTory share bite-sized tips and topics on data and analytics. I'm your host, Mark, and today we're exploring an insightful topic shared by one of our analytics engineers, Snowflake versus Google BigQuery. We'll compare these two data warehousing giants on structure, performance, pricing, and more. Let's dive in. First, let's look at structure of objects more. Both platforms have similar hierarchical structures, but use different terminology. For Snowflake, it's basically structured in a way that starts with a database, moving down to schemas, and then down to tables or views. For BigQuery, it starts with a project, then goes to the dataset, and then to tables or views. In terms of architecture, performance, and loading data, Snowflake uses a multi-cluster hybrid architecture separating storage and compute, hosted on AWS, GCP, or Azure. It's scalable and cost-effective, but can face performance issues if many users access the same warehouse simultaneously. Loading data with Snowflake involves creating file formats and tables before loading data, which can be complex. BigQuery, on the other hand, is serverless and fully managed by Google Cloud. Automatically scales based on demand, but requires careful cost monitoring. Loading data with Google BigQuery is more straightforward, allowing direct file uploads without prior table creation. When it comes to query language and history, Snowflake supports SQL with unique features and extensions, plus Python, Java, and Scala through Snowpark for advanced data transformations. It stores query history for 14 days, with up to 90 days of time travel in higher editions. BigQuery uses Google SQL and a legacy SQL dialect, but doesn't support other programming languages. Stores history for up to 6 months with a 1,000 jobs limit, allows querying or restoring deleted tables up to 7 days in the past. Now let's look at security and permissions for both cloud platforms. Snowflake combines discretionary access control and role-based access control for granular permissions, including column-level security. BigQuery uses identity and access management with similar granular permissions and predefined or custom roles, and also supports column-level security with policy tags. Okay, now let's look at the different options for integrations and other features. Snowflake offers different editions with varied features, integrates with dbt, Matillion, Talend, and more. Snowflake Marketplace provides data sharing and access to third-party data. With BigQuery, all features are available to all accounts, integrates with Google Cloud Services, and provides data sharing through Analytics Hub. Finally, let's compare pricing. Snowflake charges separately for compute using credits and storage on a per terabyte per month basis. BigQuery charges based on data processed during queries and storage usage, also on a per terabyte per month basis. All right, we've covered a lot here. I know it might be a difficult one to visualize the differences between Snowflake and BigQuery via a podcast, so please head over to the blog at biztory.com for a full breakdown of what we've discussed here. The main takeaway here is that choosing between Snowflake and BigQuery depends on your specific use case. Snowflake is intuitive and feature-rich, while BigQuery offers user-friendly simplicity. Both platforms excel in scalability and integration, but differ in management and cost considerations. Thanks for tuning in to Data Labs. Understanding the differences between Snowflake and BigQuery helps you choose the right platform for your needs. Join us next time for more insights into the world of data. For more details, check out the full blog post at BizTory.